Alright, so this is a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. The customer, he took it to a shop and had a tablet radio put in. As you can see, just trying to figure out a couple of things. Kind of got some of it figured out with AC heating, AC controls wasn't popping up on the screen because there was a plug behind the radio that wasn't plugged in. Then, like I said, you see all these wires behind here. I gotta still sort through all this. But the only way that his amps cut on is if he hits, turn it up, is if he hits his the parking lights. So the person that installed this should at least told him that, you know, man, I put the remote wire on there, but it didn't. So then it kind of used some stuff that they didn't need to use because the radio already has RCA output. So I'm gonna go through all this.